Every day, you use artificial intelligence, even if you don't notice it. From your phone to your apps, AI personalizes every touch, scroll, and search. AI listens, learns, and helps, even while you're on the move.
Please confirm the fastest route to the city center.
Route confirmed. Minimal traffic ahead.
Students everywhere use AI to learn faster, think smarter, and create better. In hospitals, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier and save lives.
Should we try this one?
At home, AI makes life simpler. Learning what you love and helping you live better. AI is here, shaping how we live, learn, and connect. Subscribe to AI Unboxed Today for more simple, clear tech insights. The future of technology is unfolding. Let's explore it together.